The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody in YouTube land, welcome back to my channel. My name is Solon and you're watching American Rodder. And in tonight's video, I got you 10 more classic cars, of which one of them I've been waiting to come up for sale for a long time. And you know, as that always happens, you don't have the cash, so I don't have the cash. But sit back and relax. It's going to be a good video. I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn on that notification bell so you'll get a notification of our next upcoming video. As always, remember that the links to these cars can be found in the description of the video. Go in there, click on the link, it should take you straight to that car that you're looking for. Tonight's commentary question is this: if money was no problem, what would be the one car that you would buy today? Leave your answer in the comments. It'll be fun and we'll see what everybody's got to say. Special guest in the studio tonight, Hot Rod Haley, and she's going to be doing the countdown. So let's get into the videos.
1.
Okay, this one is a 1978 Chevy Camaro, listed in Tampa, Florida for $8,998. Now the seller does not list any mileage, but the body is black. It has automatic transmission hooked up to a V8 with T-tops, black and gray cloth interior, custom mags, and the seller says it runs like new, everything works, and it just needs a good, loving owner. Now this particular car is listed by a dealership, so that means that that price is negotiable.
2.
Okay, this one is a 1973 Dodge Dart 2-door hardtop, listed in Goreville, Illinois for $6,500. The mileage is listed at 64,000 original miles. It has automatic transmission. The exterior color is dark green, and the original interior is a green color with a bench seat. It does have a clean title. The seller's description is as follows: 1973 Dodge Dart, automatic transmission, 318 motor with a 4-barrel, new battery and new exhaust system, runs and drives and is in fair condition, just needs a little loving care, has factory air but it isn't working. $6,500 or trade for Jeep or motorcycle Sportster.
3.
Okay guys, this is the car I was talking about earlier that I had an opportunity to buy several years ago, probably 20 years ago. Didn't have the cash then, and in my research for this video I ran across another, but guess what? Don't have the cash for that one neither. But my loss is your gain, so sit back and let me tell you about this car because it is a rare one. This is a rare 1946 Chrysler Desoto Deluxe 3-window business coupe, listed for $11,500 in Springfield, Missouri. I could not find any production numbers, as that Chrysler, like most car companies, did not keep adequate records just after the war, but estimates are around 1,800 units produced. If you have knowledge of these numbers, please drop them in the comments and let us know. But either way, this car is listed with 10,000 original miles since its rebuild motor. Automatic transmission. The exterior color is green, the interior color is brown. The seller's description is as follows: rare 1946 Chrysler Desoto 3-window coupe street rod, has early Nova Camaro subframe, a rowdy small block Chevy, a TH400 transmission, and a 10-bolt positive track rear end. Excellent body and chrome. Interior isn't pretty good but needs restoring. It has power steering, power brakes, runs and drives great. It does burnouts and gets a lot of attention. This is a very dependable car and would make a great street rod to finish out, asking $11,500 or maybe trade.
4.
1970 Ford Mustang, listed for $6,000 in Piedmont, Alabama. This car has 73,807 original miles. It has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is white. The interior color is black. Seller's description is as follows. 1970 Mustang, mechanically solid, runs and drives great. Needs paint and the interior to be restored. I have listed this for someone else, so I do not have any more pictures or information about the vehicle. Please PM me for more info. And whenever you see a listing, guys, where someone's listed a car for someone else, that always means you can probably get that car for a pretty good deal.
5,
Okay, this one is a 1951 Chevrolet Lowrider listed in Picayune, Mississippi for $7,500. The mileage is unlisted, but the seller does describe it as having an automatic transmission. The exterior color is black, and he says that this car runs and drives good. It has a 350 motor with air ride for the body. The car is basically a rat rod, but with a little work could be a really nice car. The car is good and solid. All the hard work is done. The interior is multicolored. He's just making room for other projects. $7,500. No trades at the moment.
6,
1967 Ford Ranchero listed in Murfreesboro, Tennessee for $6,500. The seller does not list the mileage, but does list that it has automatic transmission. The exterior color is black and the interior color is black. Seller's description is as follows. Very hard to find 67 Ranchero 6500 or trade, runs and drives great. Interior needs restoring, but not much body work needed. Has a 351 motor rebuilt with a new cam, new disc brakes and a new exhaust system. Just needs a new home and a loving owner who will restore it. Again, only $6,500 cash, but is interested in possible trades.
7,
1965 Ford Econoline pickup listed for $14,000 in New Orleans, Louisiana. Now it says that it has 78,000 original miles with automatic transmission, has a red exterior and a red and white interior. The seller's description is as follows. Daily driver, all original. This truck was at one time featured in a magazine article. Comes with all the original sales paperwork and owner's manuals. $14,000 or best offer. And guys, I wanted to mention as well, this is the 5-window cab pickup version, which you don't see a lot of those around anymore.
Eight,
Okay guys, this next car is really something. I give it my Editor's Choice Award and the best deal of the night for the video. It is a 1964 Rambler American 440 convertible listed for $8,500 in Shelbyville, Tennessee. It has 82,982 original miles. Has a manual transmission. The exterior color is white and the interior color is black. Has a clean title. Seller's description is as follows. 1964 Rambler 6-cylinder with 3 on the tree. Electric drop down top works well. Good power, hits road well at 60 plus cruising miles per hour. New tires and new American racing wheels. Clear Tennessee title. Not a show car, just a solid old cruiser. Wants $10,000, but first $8,000 gets to take her home. I will trade up or down, but no projects in pieces. $8,500 cash gets to drive her home.
9,
1951 Jeep Willys listed for $9,900 in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Has 45,000 original miles on it. Has a manual transmission. The exterior color is turquoise and the interior color is beige. Comes with a clean title. Seller's description is as follows. 1951 classic Willys Truck manual transmission, 6-cylinder. It starts and has 45,000 original miles. I'm selling this for my aunt. She wanted to restore it but never had the time to do so. If you need any additional information, please contact me. Be glad to respond. Price is negotiable, and the seller puts 4 or 5 exclamation points. So that means you probably get this truck at a great deal if you've been looking for one of these Willyses.
10,
1966 VW Bug split window custom for $8,000, listed in Harriman, Tennessee. This vehicle has 70,000 miles on it with a manual transmission. The exterior color is yellow with black fenders, and the interior color is black. Seller's description says, this 1966 split window VW Bug has a 40 Ford front end. The floor pans are great. The car runs perfect. Looks nice inside. Only serious inquiries and cash talks. Well, guys and gals, that's it for another video. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I want to thank Hot Rod Haley for doing the countdown. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share so you can get a notification on the next video coming out in 3 days. Till then, see you in the videos. Thanks, everybody.